Hey, hello, and welcome. So, I'm going to show you something today that they have added to Canva. It's about accessibility, making sure templates are accessible to everybody and anybody that may want to use them, which is a fantastic step in the right direction. Canva have added in a simple feature to show you how accessible your templates really are. So I've opened up, this is a template from the Canva library, just grabbed a random template to show you this. It's over in this section here called File. There's a lot in here, so definitely check out the File tab. Now, when you click on File, you have this View Settings section here. Now, we'll go along and check Design Accessibility. Let's click this tab. Now, on the right-hand side, it brings up three boxes: typography, color, and text. This is telling me that my typography is good and clear. It's readable. This one is telling me that the color contrast works well and it will be easy to see and understand. This one's telling me that there are some issues with my text and my images, my alt text for my images. So when you open it, I just clicked on it because it says 9 issues. So when I opened it, it then has all these different boxes for the different elements on here. So as you can see, there's stars, there's lines, there's a cloud in the background, a sun. It's telling me that there are some issues. There's no alt text, alternative text for any of the elements on this page. So I can click on this one. It's this big pink bubble. And now I can describe my alt text. So be descriptive, add context to keep your alt text clear for people who use screen readers. So I can now add in a clear text. So it would be pastel pink, bubble cloud, something like that to describe the element. So for this one, for example, click on it, it will go down in your list. I can click add alt text, and I can write 3 black outline stars. Or Canva's AI option will suggest an alt text for you. A black background with an airplane flying in the air. That's not right. It's tried to read the image. It's not the right one. So make sure they do match. You can change it. I would probably change this to 3 black outlined stars, for example, and then I can click save. But you can also mark it as decorative. So if it's just purely for decorative purposes, it has no meaning on here. It doesn't really need to be seen or understood. You could mark it as decorative and then it won't need an alternative text. But you don't have to if you want to add in alt text for people who use screen readers. So I can now click save, and it has saved it for me. And I can now work through my list and make sure every item on here has an alt text. And then this will turn green here like it has on this one. And I will know that my design is as accessible as I can make it. So there, what did you think of that? I think that's a fantastic feature added in by Canva, being able to make our designs super accessible to anyone and everyone, in particular with alt text, being able to use a screen reader or using a screen reader and being able to understand the images and the elements that are in your design. So that's it from me today. I'm Laura, Canva creator. Absolutely love helping you with your Canva tips and queries and tutorials and anything else that you need to know. Please make sure that you subscribe to my channel because I've got so many videos that I know you are going to love and find value in going forward into this year.